Alright, today we're going to be using the Meguiars clay kit to try and remove the overspray on my Nissan 350Z. Now this kit does come with 3 bars. You get this quick detailer. The box does include a rag. I'm going to use it, no doubt, but I got a couple more just like this one because I know we're going to need them. Now the car got most of the overspray in the front bumper, but I want to go ahead and clay the entire car. I do have a wax that I want to use. I got it a while ago. I haven't been able to use it, so once we're done claying it, I'll show it to you guys. But I'm excited to see how this car's gonna look once it's all said and done. Like I said, first things first, we're gonna wipe down the car with the waterless wash from Meguiars. I'm gonna start from the top, move my way to the back, move my way forward. Got quite a bit to do, so now that the car is wiped down, you can kind of see the overspray. The car was under rain, so it has like those watermarks all over the car. This is just a little close-up, but that's what I'm trying to remove. You can kind of see it even on the pillar here. It's a little bit more noticeable. Now I cut off a small piece. This is that piece. Alright, I just went ahead and did the top. It honestly wasn't that bad. I thought we were going to take a lot longer. However, I do want to take the time to mention that I am going to go ahead and cut and polish and wax this bad boy. I figure since we're taking the time right now to do that, might as well take the extra time and go the extra mile and just do this. Now, I know this isn't the most professional job, but I know it's going to look better than how it does now. Most of the time, this car spends its time under that cover there. So the paint isn't that bad already on it, and I just know this will make it look a little better. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead, clean this up to here and clay it, and I want to cut and polish the top and see how it looks. So let's go ahead, finish claying, and then we'll go ahead and start to cut the paint. Once this area is done, I'm going to move on to the hatch. I'm also noticing that there's some of that overspray on the window, so I think we might have to clay that too. Alright, the trunk and window are now done. So we got the roof, the pillar, and the window done. Now I can finally sit down and do the doors, fender, and quarter panel. I wanted to show you guys this window. This window came out so nice, but I'm very happy with how it looks now. Now all I gotta do is finish it. So like I said, I'm gonna grab my chair and knock this side down first. I got a switch in my head. I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red. Now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said. I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget. So now you have a... Alright, I went ahead and finished the right side of the car. All that's left is the front hood, the bumper, the windshield. Dance that shit, it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear. Okay, the entire car is now fully clayed. I went ahead and wiped the entire panels after I was done with it. So now this car is ready for the next step. The next step is going to be in this ultimate Meguiars compound. Once I finish doing that, I'm going to go ahead and go over it with this polish. Okay, the roof is now waxed and polished. It honestly came out so good. I want to do the entire car, but I just don't have the time right now to do it. I do want to still wax the car. However, I did whip out my random orbit. Bought this from Meguiars. I figured since I have it with me, why not use it and get to know it a little better. And I'm very happy with how the top came out. I'm gonna try and do the same to the hood. My girlfriend doesn't really see what I'm trying to do here, so I went ahead and taped this area here, and hopefully we can do a little before and after. But so far, I think I'm only gonna do the hood and the top. The rest of the car is just gonna get a simple wax job. Gonna do it all by hand. But the hood, I'm gonna use the random orbit to knock it down. Let's see how it goes. just about done with this car. The only two panels that I am actually polishing is the hood and the roof, and it's honestly coming out so good. Check this out. That right there is a rock chip, but this paint definitely is looking a lot better. You can kind of see all the swirls and marks all around, and then over here you don't really see them because we got rid of them. And again, my intentions were to do it by hand, but I got this machine a while ago. Why not put it to use? It's just sitting in a box, and I'm honestly very happy. I think I'm gonna order more pads. These right here though are the two steps that I did on the roof and the hood. Step one was ultimate compound with a black pad. Now for the ultimate polish, which was my step two, I went ahead and used this blue pad. This is a polishing pad, so it was perfect for this. And then I'm just applying the wax by hand and then wiping it off. I really wish someone would be here to feel how smooth and lovely this paint feels, but what I'm gonna do now is do the exact same steps to the other side of the hood. I did this to show it to you guys, but also to show it to my girlfriend. I spent a lot of time in here, so I wanted to show her what I was trying to do, and now she's trying to do it to her car. But like I said, I'm still pretty new to this, just explaining what I'm doing. But in a bit you're gonna see me do it to that half, and then we're gonna be done. I want to take this car out in the sun and see how it looks, but at the same time I gotta go do an errand, so I'm gonna go to Target, take the car, get what I gotta get a picture, get a video, and then bring it right back and put it under this cover right there. So let me knock down that area real quick. Okay, the hood is all done. Went ahead and did step 1 and 2. All that's left is for us to apply our wax. This is gonna give it that nice layer of protection. Just wanted to show you guys really quick how it looks. The camera's probably not gonna do it any justice, but so far my sister, girlfriend, and mom have walked in and seen this car and they noticed the difference. So that's all the reassurance I need. Like I said, we're gonna apply our wax. Gonna have this link down below for you guys, but a little bit does go a long way, so probably gonna smush this once or twice, and that should give me enough to cover this entire hood. Alright, we are all done now. Time to take this bad boy out in the sun. I know she's stock, but one day when she's not stock, I'm gonna look back at some of these videos and be like, damn, that's how she sounded. But for now, enjoy this 350Z stock cold start. Man, I am just in love with this car, man. Especially now that it's all nice and clean. It looks so good in the sun. I'm gonna go ahead, go to Pick and Save and get what I need. Got the goods. Check that baby out. This thing looks so clean in the sun, bro. I was honestly a little upset when I had that overspray, but now looking back at it, I don't even care no more, bro, because look how good this thing came out. I don't want to say it needed it, but I'm really happy it got it. Alright, the Z is now back in the garage, as you guys can see. I went ahead and parked a little closer towards this door because in next week's video we are going to be restoring our headlights. They're a little hazy. I've been wanting to try this. I love how the car looks now though. It looks so nice and clean, and I am in love with the stickers. There's literally nothing on this car but those stickers, so when people will go up to it and see it, they can actually scan it, and that might be a sub. So gonna have everything I use linked down below for you guys, but next time you guys see me, we're gonna be working on the headlights. So until then, this is Javi from Javi's Productions. Peace out, my friends.